Windows 7 machine. I've got my drivers already on my desktop here. You may have them on the CD or DVD, or you may need to download them from the manufacturer's website. I'm just going to right click the computer there and make sure that I know that I've got a 64-bit machine, 64-bit Windows 7. There are different drivers for 32 and 64-bit. Make sure you download the right ones. So start devices and printers, add a printer. Now I'm going to install an IP based printer, so I am confusingly going to pick add a local printer, not a network printer. You'll see why in a minute. Create a new port and change the drop down to standard TCP IP port. Click next. Type in the IP address of the printer that we're setting up. You can either get this off the printer or from its config page, or you might have to manually set it. Next. Now I'm going to click have disk because I already have the correct drivers for this printer, and click browse, and you'll remember they're on my desktop. So if I on my desktop open up my printer drivers, I'm going to use the 64-bit driver because I've got a 64-bit version of Windows. It's automatically picked up the right one. I'm going to select PCL6. Next. Now give the printer itself a sensible name. This is a 4600 laser printer, so I'll call it HP 4600. Click next. As I said there, this can take quite some time. I'll sped it up for the purpose of the video. I don't want to share this printer with anybody else. There's only me going to use it, so I'm going to click do not share this printer. Next. Print a test page and make sure that it actually printed. Click finish, and there's my new printer set up and ready to go. And the fact at the bottom it says 0 documents waiting in the queue is a bit of a clue that my test page has actually gone through. And that's us done. That's us IP printer set up and ready to go. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to come and visit us at www.petenetlive.com.